Okay, New York session live. Got the New York scanner all set up here. Nothing triggered yet. Started the H8 bar. I'm looking at USD Swiss. Nice 4-hour breakout below previous month low. So monthly traders are in breakout. I'm waiting for a pullback on USD Swiss. These highlights over here, these are the new alerts, the triggers. When I click on highlight, I can see them easily on the 1 second chart, but I'm not sure if I'm going to be trading this time frame yet. Okay, pretty sure this is going to be the one. So going to be waiting for this pullback. So right now it's a strong push down, higher time frame, breakout levels all bearish, peak bias all bearish, and I'm essentially looking for that trend retracement setup. This one right here, need a fake out of the high at the high of the H4 bar and then take it down. Let's see the H8. H8 also looks nice. Yeah, so essentially I'm waiting for this to pull back. All right, and then I was also looking Aussie USD. Aussie USD on the daily, faking out at the broke out above previous month high. Like this move. I think I took this one yesterday and then didn't go all the way. So this is a counter trend breakout. Usually these will go to that breakout level. So this is something else I'm looking at, but the H8 actually has flipped. So this might not be ready yet, or it might not even go up. Who knows? I think that was it. And NZD USD was the other one. So on the daily, it's above month high, breaking out. But I don't like how this 4-hour closed. Can kind of do anything here. It's already flipped the weekly breakout level. So I think this is why I think USD Swiss is probably the best bet. Okay, so I'm going to wait on this one. Let's see, NAS has gone opposite now. Switch these over. Like this move in oil, but when I checked my spread, it was really, really large, so I could not take this one. But nice move on oil. Okay, I think USD Swiss is the one that's I'll be waiting for. Okay, so just gonna wait for this to pull back. Okay, price has come down, faked out the H4 low, so I'm no longer trading a trend retracement. I'm going to be looking for a fake out reversal move, which is exactly the same, just comes after a fake out. 20 minutes here. We faked out the previous H1 low, and I definitely need this to come out and break out at the top or break out to the bottom in the next 20 minutes. If it stays like this, it means I'll be stuck in a range. Right, whenever you have two fake out bars in a row. Actually, no, these are both bullish ones, so this should be okay. Okay, never mind. This should be okay, but I do want this to actually come up to the top and break out at the top here. I don't want it to come up and then come down. If it does that, then it'll be two opposite facing fake out bars. And if that happens, then I have to get in at the top of the range. So definitely need to wait for the next 20 minutes here. Okay, so USD Swiss didn't pull back. It's breaking out instead. So let's see where this closes. Did not close where I wanted it to, so no trade yet. We'll keep an eye on this 15-minute closure. Might take it on the 15 minutes, but I'd like to see it on the lower time frames. Okay, the 15 minutes closing nice. Going to drop down to the 15 seconds and the 1 second to time this entry. So I want to see a pullback. Maybe a 1 minute breakout bar to the high, or at least a fake out of a high. Okay, so I'm just going to wait for that. Okay, there we go, fake out of a high. Now I'm going to wait for this to turn. Okay, got in on this move, trend reversal. Could have probably added in there, but it dropped a little too low for me. Okay, and I'm just going to let this run and try to size in on some pullbacks. So let's find some targets here. Okay, so here's an obvious one. Breakout level on the weekly. Okay, 30R if it gets there. Okay, we're pulling back here. Okay, looking for a continuation here. I got an entry there. Okay. Got in on this move. Stop loss at the same level. I had not changed my Okay, I guess that's it. 2 positions. I'm gonna just let this run. So I've added some extended options on the visualizers to, didn't add anything new, just added some options to turn off certain things. So that's still gonna test this out, maybe this week and next week. And if all's good, then I'll just update it on TradingView. Okay, so I'm going to set the reversal on the 1 minute. If I see the 1 minute start to reverse, I'm gonna look to possibly take partials or exit. Okay, if it closes like this, gonna take some partials. If it price gets up, then I'm taking some partials on this. but not yet. Waiting for this to close. Let's see. Okay, taking partials here. So that was 7 plus 2.5, about 9.5 R. And I will look for another entry here. So we're, let's see, still some time here. I'm going to drop down in time and entry. Okay, so basically 15 minutes pushing down, looking for a retracement on the 15 seconds here, looking at the 15-minute bar, looking for a trend retracement, but we faked out the low already, so this is a fake out reversal. And it looks like we might have, what did I take there? 9.5 R. I'm willing to take about 2 losses trying to take this. If it doesn't work, then I'm done. Okay, so we flipped that M5 breakout level. So this is, if I take a sell, it's going to be a retracement. So I would actually prefer this to come up a little bit higher, so I have a bit more room to play with. So I need to wait for the next M5 in about 1.5 minutes. Okay, one time frame up to the 5 seconds. 5-minute closed as bullish breakout. So now I'm waiting for some entries here. Here we go. In continuation. Okay, got in here. So I'm willing to take only 2 losses. And if that happens, I'm done. Okay, so this entry was a false breakout entry or a trend reversal. We have the breakout. I'm always looking for those simple entry patterns, looking for a breakout, faking out a high, and then getting in under that flip of the breakout level. So we have a breakout here, faked out the high here, and then getting in when it price broke down below. Okay, so this position got taken out. And I'll wait for the M15 to close here. Actually, I think I'm done. 10:45, if it closes, it'll be 10:45, which is 15 minutes to the H1. And if the H1 closes, it's kind of the end of my session. So I'm usually done here at 11. So no more trades, that's it. So it took one, didn't go all the way through. Took, what was that, 9.5, I think, and then lost one. So 8.5 R. Nice little move in New York. And that's it. Indices ended up dropping. I wasn't really watching it, but this would have been a nice move as well. UJ, I was thinking about UJ, but lots of levels in between, a bit a bit difficult to get in. So I think AU was the other one I was looking at, but I think USD Swiss was kind of the one that I saw clearest because of that really strong breakout. Okay, that's it. Done with the session.